Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I just want to do a tutorial. Actually it's a DIY tutorial on how to do a dye enhancement without any airbrush. So tools I'm going to be using here is just a couple of face towel, a customized card I made personally, toothbrush, I know it's so funny, toothbrush, and also a makeup set of brushes. And I'll be walking in through with you throughout the video, the steps you're gonna follow to get the same results. Remember, don't forget to subscribe, like, and keep on sharing my content, because that's how I get more to give to you guys. So as you can see, I started with a customized card on the dye, just right at the side of the hairline, and I keep on progressing to the other side of the hairline, just like that, easy peasy. Just go over again with a toothbrush and also with a blade, Now I'm on the other side of the hairline, making sure I get my dye through all those places with the brushes. Keep on smudging. So this work is all about smudging the toothbrush with the dye. Remember always to keep your face towel wet, because if your face towel is not wet, it's just gonna create a whole lot of bad effects on the dye. So your face towel always have to be wet, so you'll be able to smudge the wet dye through the skin. So now I head towards to the upper right side of the hair, making sure I always use the blade to clean up all the lines, smudging all over the hairline, and I keep on together again, just over and over and over. When I'm done, I just make sure that the extra coming dripping down, I use the face towel just to clean, smudge it all over this place. So it's all about blending in with the dye, with the hair, making sure you don't overdo it, bit by bit. So now I'm gonna head straight to the design in the hair. One thing I like about my custom card is that it has the ability to reach all the edges. Just take it slowly. I know the hairbrush does it very easily, but if you're in my side and you don't have the airbrush, just have to figure out how to do it without hairbrush. Adapt. So I'm just adapting with the hairbrush and my blade, making sure that I keep my lines in the design straight. So right after applying my hair dye on the line, outer side of the line, I always make sure to just bring in back the blade and straighten up all the lines, bit by bit. I know it takes a whole lot of time, but it's worth it. It's very worth it. So those are my brushes there, my makeup brushes I normally use for my hair dye enhancement. You went and changed just to grind at the beans, just to work at that cafe. Now I grind at the beats and niggas cap without the frost. I went and found myself while you were out getting lost. Nothing really changed, set the money in my pocket. Speaking of my name, young boy, better watch it. I ain't never stop unless I'm rotting in the coffin. I did it all from home, now these niggas pay me homage. I used to mix drinks, now I mix vocals. Used to skip roll calls, now they want my photos. Damn, I wish I could do it again, but then I won't be who I am, and I really love who I am. I used to skip out on exams, now I write hits with my pen. I used to play streets for a 10, now I get booked for a 10 from my iPhone 5. Yeah, baby, you hit me up all night. See, lately I've been quite alright. If you with me, better ride or die, 'cause girl, you drive me crazy. Oh guys, so this is the end of my tutorial, and I believe you just like the effects I had with a couple of brushes, face towel, a custom card, and a little bit of spirit. I mean, when I say spirit, I mean the heart soap, because sometimes not having the right tools kind of make you feel like you can't do the job or you're not right to do the job, but
This to show you that whether with a hairbrush or not, you can still have your effect you want. So this where I leave you guys today. As I said earlier, don't forget to keep on liking my videos, share to others, because there are a whole lot of papas, beginners who want to just have a nice fit but just don't know how to do it. So keep on sharing, let them subscribe and follow for more content like this. Thank you very much.